Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya observes the International Day of Person with Disabilities. People are more inclined towards the Congress than other political parties in Meghalaya, says Congress leader PN's aim. Around 400 members of Young Congress in Meghalaya have left the party. And KSU Central Executive Council administers oath of confirmation to new members. And now the news in detail. The Office of the Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities, Government of India, along with the State Resource Centre of Disabilities Affairs and the Healthy India Chronicle, New Delhi, observed the International Day of Person with Disabilities 2021. This program was held at Shillong Club in Shillong. Meghalaya Social Welfare Minister Shillong was the chief guest. The theme of the program was leadership and participation of persons with disabilities towards an inclusive, accessible and sustainable post-COVID-19 world. Speaking on the occasion, Shillong said the present Act for Persons with Disabilities has spelled out very clearly about their rights.
Accessible and sustainable post-COVID-19 world. The aim of observing this day each year is to increase the awareness and understanding of disability issues and the benefits to be derived from the integration of people with a disability in every aspect of life. The new legislation, the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016, has provision which are also more elaborate for the person of the rights of persons with disabilities as compared to the old act. The whole world has now woken up to the reality of their needs and problems, and efforts from every section across the world are taking steps to ensure protection, to ensure participation to the fullest in every sphere of activity. So we must strive towards this end, to create a society which gives equal opportunity, thereby empowering persons with disabilities to the maximum possible extent. I am grateful to the All India Council for Technical Education for sponsoring around 200 aids and assistive devices such as crutch, hearing aid, smart canes, smartphone, multi-sensor educational development.
Let's know handa puslay di laban kaya nga penban ngalashem yu chisunan penimjonga.
The spokesperson of the Congress Party and working president of the Meghalaya Congress, PN's aim today, said that it is not easy for the new party to win the confidence of the voters and win elections. He was referring to the All India Trinamool Congress, which is making an inroad into Meghalaya. In his interaction with media persons, AIM also said that the people of Meghalaya are inclined towards the Congress Party than other political parties in the state. According to him, the new party belonging to All India Trinamool Congress of West Bengal, making an inroad into Meghalaya, will find a lot of hardships before laying a strong foundation. AIM made this criticism after 12 Meghalaya Congress legislators left the party and joined the All India Trinamool Congress recently.
Number one, kila experience yaka Congress government, Congress-led coalition government. Ban compare bat ka MDA nga lagi pai baru kisut ho. Ika jing hiar ha kayo ka kot, hiar ha tri company jam, hiar ha kiyo ki hal, hiar ha ka belah ha ski pergi hiwe. Number two, ka Congress haman la ki jaka kadon budban. Suppose now nga tri sitom kum politician ngadon kabut bang ka jongal kum san hajar. Banjom ngadon kam prahajar. Ngapai hak parti kepadon bud bank kenang ba ngan poi sakati katong prahajar. Dia hak pokok hang ni kan long kaju good politician kin kampai sa kongres parti nomor kadon ka bud bank. Suppose yang happen thor. Ngatrai pikan mau bahau habu wile uba PT udam kapras pabut. Naga independence. Baban wile naga newly formed party udam khatsos pabut. Ka kongres kayo Allah hajar put. Ngai le na ka kongres party. Kamut kebut ke bagi beriu ki kwa ya chain. Kabut ke bagi beriu ki kwa ya nga. Bakabut ke bagi beriu ki kwa ya ka kongres party ngai ha ka bakut ka don chance nga mo bangan poi ka thong juga jingjob. Te ka ju ya ki wiru ha state baro ka wei kin phai chata. Ki ha phai ka party ka bakham don bis ya se ka don but bang ka party. Tani ki party kam don but bang. Akan mau ke pupun ki wei parti ha daila ki tu senior mu te hoi ki job kin lami daila wei ki arspa alai spa bud katu ka kaw shai bam don bud bang hani kongres pa de pe ya kanu man lagi jaka dakile unu bam popular kan unu udang yo be ya ka lai hajar ar hajar saw hajar te katu ka paw shai bagi pai ba ka bukut kin phai sha ka kongres kata kila bani kren ha national level ha ka state level but ha ke election mele kata kan marais ha MP election hagi wei ki state kala bandai kamde pada ka MP election haka state Meghalaya amar hadu menta ham Meghalaya hi kidang pe tangi ka kongres badi ki regional party hoi some presence of BJP ya mungkin don angut tende ya ki wei kadang sitom dengai ba kanum don ka problem yang hi hapo Meghalaya namar ba kinumang phai sha ka TMC kum ka alternative na ka banta ka next government the only alternative padika kongres party wala don pa ka base ba strong kan.
Dear viewers, let us now take a short break. Welcome back. We'll continue with the remaining news. In Meghalaya, around 400 members of the Youth Congress have left the Congress party, citing reasons that they have been sidelined and for not consulting them in many of the decisions of the party. Speaking to the media, the president of the Youth Congress of Mausanram Block Congress Committee, Bana Lartang, strongly criticized the Congress leadership of dissolving the 12 block Congress committees, falling under those constituencies of the Congress legislators who left the party and joined the All India Trinamool Congress, and also dissolving the National Students' Union of India in Meghalaya. Lartang said, unlike in the previous years where membership into the party has been thoroughly criticized, Lartang said now any Dick and Harry can become a member of the Congress and membership is randomly enrolled at airports and in any of the motors of the country.
Years to be eligible to become a state president of the Youth Congress. But that was kumkata kamdan re. Te kini ki jingsoksi jongi bangi hab ban ino kaying kumbangaong kaying jonga kidai kibai I Congress kibabut Congress na dumanswa nila tray shitong nakabantak ke parti Congress hakine ki pandemic kila persyang menyerap ki samla jungi kumbala kren ki NSUI menin nila persyang nila don bentang wanra yaki samla jungi nasabah nga in charge fully ka Kolkata West Bengal nang takatukat nengut na Bangalore ni coordinate mangi pat ki ngilala banten po yaki katu kat ne ki para samla jungi ante Haduk mentang ngampat rilis ya kata video. Baki ai kejeng sangu ki para semua ini. Te kat banang ya kisni niyo iba niyo snyo ba Fernandez udan pisah nem banjang kumutaw presiden jongka youth congress. Boleh ka pisah. Nadu arjar san. Na klamdan pisah bat haduk mentang. Ngam don pisah ngadantang banjang ban syakri ya kan ka parti. Pat haga por bangadon haga parti kongres ngada syakri hok ya ka. Ngada syakri hok ya ka. Hakino kino ki benta. Nrais ngau si bahakine ki kendal sngi. Ngayo sngi na wei perlok ba ukuli presiden. Hatau bajok don pisana. O bajok ke don tharai. U Fernandez pan. Fernandez te ula don slam ha youth congress tangba kapisa te undan re. Wala kataru ngala persyang ban convince yaki para member jungi bat ngilayok kajing kalsyan nadu lai potarik hadu santrik ki dantang lai sautli ki constituency ki bat tap ya nomination pat haka santrik kasing ka bakado jan parok ki constituency dakjing yatrilang conga bat jong Richard badai presiden barim jong ke youth congress haka ne ka state jungi nilala ban enroll ya ban file kita ki nomination hajan man ki constituency.
The Central Executive Council of the Khasi Students' Union today administered the oath of confirmation to the 28 new members into the student body organization. The new members are all from North Khasi Hills district. The oath-taking ceremony was held at Umsning Auditorium Hall in Ribhoi district. The aim of accepting these new members is to strengthen the organization. The oath-taking ceremony was administered by the President of KSU Central Body, Lombok Starwell Marngar, in the presence of KSU members FKJGP, HNYF and RBYF.
Umagasay ng pagkubuwag, yung kanungan, pag-ikran, yung kahok, pagkajinsya, ikran mag-alkalati, tapi poha jalur, ikot kaseng, ikran yung kakasur. Kaya ibagasya, pagkubuwag kalau, asang bantayat, asang bantino, dagumay berkuntay, na kaliang juwi, gompinulang pagkubuwag, ilasyim kacigit kli, ontang kaktil, dagkacilko, Hakmat kondisi, hakmat kondisi itu kubo. Pakai belajar, hadir katu beresi, lasang berjalan bakla, jadi nuilam bagi kuat keseng, bagi nuilam untuk isi, bila pendam dan bila kompromis. Ya kaju kasih bila persang buat konventu, jauh presiden berubah dan besar itu kubo. Andai, dinamut menjadi belum kena andai. Kan ulun juga sen dari menudu 68 tiet, 68 tan lalu. Apa kenal kerpang? Ya kini isu golong. Nama asal banki palok yang kisi. Bagi don kam ya sekarang banki kita kimar bam bagi. Lakata poduli isnam. Wilayah menu kecak penduduk kayaknya wabdon takal kira. Ilong kumi pangilong, misran, nomor idang don kisama, bagian empat, banyadan, dan Shillong pekerpang untuk hari berkacat untuk dua kawin.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.